Hi, this is Christopher Barham of Douglas Elliman. Today, we're in the beautiful city of Hermosa Beach, my hometown. We're showcasing this lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. It's got 940 square feet. It's for sale for only $775,000. And most importantly, which people want in this price range, in my opinion, is 2 side-by-side parking spots. It's close to Mira Costa, award-winning schools, lazy acres, summer concerts, volleyball, and all the lovely amenities that Hermosa Beach has to offer. So please call me at 310-221-1237 for more information. And we're open all weekend, and we look forward to seeing you. Take care.